So I'm going to tell you a story. I need you to help me out with a bit of it. The young man took an arrow and he put it into the string and he aimed the bow at that bird and he let the arrow go and the arrow flew through the air and it was just about to hit the bird, but the bird went and the arrow went.
I've already proven to you poetry is everything, and it means you guys can be anything you want to be, okay? So in this time village that you all live in, and you're the next generation of amazing people that are going to live here and branch out into the world, what I want you to do, on the back of your paper, I want you to write in all the things that you care about. So you're all residents on planet Earth, yeah? You all have a valid voice because you're all young people and you're all incredible. You're the next generation of leaders and healers and politicians and doctors and everyone, okay?
Short and sweet about you,
We have Cara Gaskell, we have Anwen and we have Brook. I just want to say diolch o galon I fawr I wedi dod heno. Thanks to everyone for coming tonight. I'm now going to ask the legendary Sai to play us out with some fabulous tunes.